We are now going to enhance your experience section. If you have already uploaded your resume or LinkedIn profile, you will see bullet points on the screen. If you click on Rewrite All Experience Description, it will rewrite all bullet points like a professional resume writer. Okay. However, if you don't see any bullet points, there are two methods to add them. The first option, which I recommend, is to click on Regenerate Experience Description by answering a few questions. Take your time to answer each question, aiming to provide quantifiable information whenever possible. CareerClaw AI, will then use your answers to create impactful bullet points, similar to what a professional resume writer would do. I have provided examples here if you need help to answer those questions. For me, I am going to use my own example to show you how it works. Okay. Alternatively, if you prefer to add or write each bullet point yourself, you can click on Add a bullet point and explore that option. Okay. Alternatively, if you prefer to add or write each bullet point yourself, you can click on Add a bullet point and explore that option.